In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in ClickUp. If you want to sketch ideas, mark up a plan, or quickly explain something visually, ClickUp whiteboards make it easy to draw right inside your workspace. I'll walk you through the process from opening a whiteboard to finishing your drawing, so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, go to the left sidebar in ClickUp and click Whiteboards. This is where you can access your existing whiteboards and create new ones. If you use whiteboards for brainstorming or planning, this is the main area you'll return to whenever you want to work visually. Once you're in the whiteboard section, click New Whiteboard. This opens a fresh canvas where you can start drawing right away. A new whiteboard gives you a blank space to map out ideas, create rough sketches, or collaborate visually with your team. After the whiteboard opens, look for the toolbar and select the Draw tool, which may also appear as a pencil tool depending on the interface. This is the tool you'll use to create freehand lines and shapes. If you don't see it immediately, take a quick look across the toolbar until you find the drawing icon. Before you start drawing, choose the color you want to use. Picking a color first can help you stay organized, especially if you're using different colors for different ideas, sections, or notes. Select the one that best fits what you're working on. Next, choose your preferred line size. This controls how thick or thin your strokes will appear on the whiteboard. A thinner line can be useful for detail, while a thicker line may stand out better for headings, emphasis, or quick visual notes. Now you're ready to draw. Click and drag anywhere on the whiteboard to start creating your lines. You can sketch simple diagrams, underline content, circle important areas, or just brainstorm visually in a more natural way. Take your time and use the space freely. If you make a mistake or want to clean up part of your drawing, select the eraser tool. Then, click and drag over the lines you want to remove. This lets you edit your drawing without starting over, which is especially helpful when you're refining an idea. When you're finished drawing, click the Select tool to exit drawing mode. This makes it easier to move on to other actions on the whiteboard without accidentally adding more lines. Your whiteboard saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about manually saving your work. And that's how to draw in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.